Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Portable Air Conditioner Reviews. Number 5. New Air AC14100E.
Where is there a company we can trust? Introducing the New Air AC14100E, one of the most compact and portable air conditioners on the market. Complete your daily duties and have peaceful night's sleep, as this unit comes with a 24-hour programmable timer and automatic defrost. And it's designed with an auto evaporation feature, allowing it to run overnight without any problems. The ozone-friendly refrigerant contains no chlorine. It comfortably cools a space up to 525 square feet, making it ideal for cooling medium-sized bedrooms, dens, dorm rooms, or offices. The 14100E can even function as a dehumidifier and remove up to 60 pints of moisture from the air per day. It has convenient and time-saving features such as dust filters, remote control, and wheels and handles for easy portability. The easy-to-install window kit can be adjusted to fit any size window. And for cooling and heating, the AC14100E has a sister unit, the AC14100H. This unit offers everything you need, as it operates as an air conditioner, space heater, dehumidifier, and fan. Both of these units have been rated by consumers.
Control timer and sleep functions. The convenient wireless remote automatically maintains your ideal temperature. Auto temperature control for your convenience. Portable unit is easy to move. Studio apartments or light commercial spaces. Number 4. DeLonghi PAC AN120EW. 12,000 BTU or HR cooling power. 3-in-1 operation, cooling. Easily portable due to its durable caster wheels. Tool-free installation in minutes. Bucket-less operation. The Beer-Silver air filter traps bacteria. Number 3. Friedrich PH1-4B.
Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich Zonair portable air conditioner. With the function of up to 4 different appliances in one convenient and portable unit, Friedrich's dual-hose Zonair portable air conditioner offers cooling, heating, fan, and dehumidification that moves with you from room to room. Zonair's dual-hose closed-loop design cools up to 40% faster than single-hose units. It's also more energy efficient than single-hose portable units because Zonair doesn't waste any cooled air by venting it outside. The dehumidification mode keeps your space comfortably dry, and with a self-evaporative system, the condensate is used to cool the coil, so there's no bucket to empty. When you just want a gentle breeze, simply switch to fan mode from the control panel or use the remote control from across the room. Zonair is simple to install. Snap-in hoses and 115-volt operation means quick startup and cooling. Zonair also moves easily from room to room or storage with casters and side grip handles. It can condition areas up to 600 square feet,
4-in-1 air conditioner, heater, humidifier, condensate overflow protection. self-evaporation condensate system. It's practical and flexible. Remote control included. Number 2. Honeywell MN10CESWW. $10,000 BTU portable air conditioner. Nodric design uses auto evaporation system. Humidification up to 70 pints per 24 hours. Digital LCD display with feather touch controls. Full function remote control. Humidifying areas up to 450 square feet. Number 1. Here, HPN1 2XCM. Cools rooms 350-525 square feet. Full function remote. Time and temperature display. Digital temperature adjust. 3 cooling and 3 fan speeds. Item weight 74.8 pounds.